Hi everybody, my name is Stephen and welcome to Peru. We're currently in the north of Peru at GoEco's Animal Sanctuary project. There's so much to do here, so much to see. I'm excited to take you guys along. So our first task of the day is all the animals need feeding, and I'm so excited because they have a penguin here and I'm really just wanting to get in there and have some time with the penguin because I absolutely love them. It's like a little propeller.
They're more like of a light brown colour. So it's a Peruvian penguin? Oh, oh you're way better than me.
Expert right here. Hello!
Like my tree. So cute. So it's now feeding time for the animals, and I love the cows. Hello.
I think we got some like maize leaves for them.
Ready?
Oh, you have to give it to him as well.
Look at that tongue. They're really fun to feed with their tongue wrapped around.
Somebody's excited for lunch. Finally getting my food. Hey, that's not yours. Guys, we have your food now, okay? It's fine. Don't have to steal the horses.
I put like any food. Hola.
Hola. Spanish speaking bird. So when you finish volunteering, there's actually a bar and a restaurant here, like a beautiful spot just to overlook the entire property, and some of the volunteers just like to come and hang out here. Also, I just need to point out how insanely cool the accommodation is. This pretty much looks like bungalows in Fiji on your own private island. This has got to be one of the cooler looking accommodations we stayed at a volunteer project.
Alrighty, I'll show you guys our accommodation. We're currently staying in one of these rooms. You come in, got a big bed, don't mind the mess. Big bed, and then if you come through here, here's the bathroom. And it has a shower, a big bath, how good's that, and the toilet.
I hope you enjoyed this video showing what you get up to if you decide to volunteer here. Now, if you were interested in coming out here to Peru, head to goeco.org for all the information. See you guys next time.